So in this question, the most common wrong answer which the students mark is option C, 96 hours. Because by looking at this patch testing, they think that the examiner is asking about the best time for reading the patch test. But what is the examiner here asking? When should he return for the removal of the patch which was applied? So remember, after 48 hours, the patch is going to be removed and it will be read for the first time. That is, the first reading is taken at 48 hours, that is 2 days after the application of the patch, and 96 hours after the application of the patch, the reading which we get is a second reading, and that is the best reading. So please remember this difference between these two. So answer here is going to be option D, that is 48 hours. And yes, patch testing is the investigation of choice for allergic contact dermatitis. So I hope you have understood the concept. Please do that like button if so, and do subscribe for more such awesome videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much.